Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Okay, quick joke before we talk money. If search engines actually answered everything perfectly, none of us would still be scrolling past page 1 wondering who to trust. Anyway, let's jump straight into pricing. Perplexity Pro uses a subscription-based pricing model designed for users who want advanced AI-powered search and research capabilities. There is a free version that allows basic searches and AI responses, but the real value appears in the Pro plan. Perplexity Pro is billed monthly or annually per user and unlocks access to more advanced AI models, faster response times, higher usage limits, file uploads, and deeper research tools. Compared to traditional search engines, this pricing reflects Perplexity's positioning as a research assistant rather than a simple search box. For comparison, Andi Search takes a different approach to pricing. Andi Search offers free access to its core AI-powered search experience, focusing on ad-free, privacy-first browsing. Some advanced features may be limited or evolving, but overall, Andi positions itself as an accessible alternative to mainstream search engines without pushing a heavy subscription up front. This makes Perplexity Pro feel more like a professional research tool, while Andi Search leans toward everyday discovery and exploration. Now let's talk about what Perplexity Pro actually does. Perplexity Pro is an AI-powered answer engine that combines large language models with real-time web search. Instead of giving you a list of links, it delivers direct answers with cited sources, allowing you to verify information instantly. Pro users gain access to multiple advanced AI models, deeper follow-up questioning, and the ability to refine queries conversationally. This makes Perplexity especially powerful for research, learning, and decision-making where accuracy matters. One standout feature is source transparency. Perplexity shows where information comes from, which builds trust and reduces the guesswork common with traditional AI chat tools. Pro users can also upload documents, ask questions about PDFs, summarize long content, and compare information across sources. This makes it useful for students, professionals, analysts, and creators who need fast, reliable insights without spending hours manually searching. Perplexity Pro also supports threaded conversations, allowing users to dig deeper into a topic step by step. Instead of starting over with each query, you can refine, expand, and challenge answers in context. Over time, this turns Perplexity into a research companion rather than a one-off search tool. Speed, clarity, and accuracy are where it shines. Perplexity Pro also stands out in how it handles updates and freshness. Because it pulls from real-time web data, it's better suited for current events, trends, and fast-changing topics compared to static AI models. Users researching news, emerging tools, or rapidly evolving industries benefit from answers that reflect what's happening now, not months ago. Combined with citations, this reduces the risk of relying on outdated or unverifiable information. Another important aspect of Perplexity Pro is how it changes the way users interact with information over time. Instead of bouncing between tabs, bookmarks, and half-read articles, Perplexity encourages a focused research flow where answers evolve through conversation. You can challenge responses, ask for counter-arguments, request simpler explanations, or dig deeper into specific data points without losing context. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, Perplexity Pro delivers fast, high-quality answers with visible sources, advanced AI models, and strong research workflows. It saves time and reduces information overload. On the downside, it requires a paid subscription for full power, and casual users may not need the advanced features. It's also dependent on source quality, meaning users should still think critically. But for serious research and learning, Perplexity Pro is a strong upgrade over traditional search. Now let's move on to Andi Search, which takes a more human-friendly and exploratory approach to AI-powered search. Andi Search is designed as an ad-free conversational search engine that prioritizes privacy, clarity, and visual understanding. Instead of overwhelming users with ads or endless blue links, Andi delivers summarized answers, visual cards, and clean explanations that feel more like discovery than digging. Andi Search uses AI to interpret intent and surface relevant information quickly. It combines summaries, visuals, and links into a single interface that helps users understand topics faster. This makes Andi especially appealing for casual research, learning new subjects, and everyday curiosity. Unlike traditional search engines, Andi does not track users or rely on advertising, which is a major draw for privacy-conscious users. One of Andi's key strengths is its visual presentation. Results often include images, highlighted facts, and simplified explanations, making complex topics easier to digest. Andi also supports follow-up questions, allowing users to explore topics conversationally without losing context. While it may not offer the same depth of advanced research tools as Perplexity Pro, it excels at accessibility and ease of use. Another area where Andi Search quietly stands out is how it reshapes the emotional experience of searching. Traditional search engines often feel noisy, distracting, and optimized for clicks rather than understanding. Andi removes that pressure by presenting information calmly and intentionally, which helps users stay focused on learning instead of filtering distractions. This makes Andi especially appealing for people who feel overwhelmed by modern search results or who want a more thoughtful way to explore topics. Andi also encourages curiosity-driven exploration. Because follow-up questions feel natural and visual, summaries reduce friction, users are more likely to explore topics deeper rather than stopping at the first answer. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, Andi Search is clean, intuitive, privacy first, and free to use. It removes ads, reduces noise, and makes searching feel less stressful. It's great for students, casual learners, and users who want answers without distractions. On the downside, Andi Search is less powerful for deep research. It lacks advanced model selection, file analysis, and heavy research workflows. Power users may find it limiting compared to paid tools like Perplexity Pro. In terms of ratings, both Perplexity and Andi generally receive positive user feedback, but Trustpilot data may be limited or inconsistent for newer AI search platforms. Ratings should be treated as directional insight rather than definitive scores, and it's always best to check multiple sources before deciding. Final takeaway: choose Perplexity Pro if you want serious research power, source transparency, and advanced AI tool. AI tools. Choose Andi Search if you want a clean, private, and ad-free way to explore information effortlessly. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe to the channel and click the link below to access the software and experience which search tool fits your style best.